My name is Dr. Alok Kumar Das, homeopath. My clinic is near Ashram Sakosuro. Now I will tell you about an incurable disease, arthritis. Homeopathy as a system of medicine is well documented for treating the patients holistically based on their symptoms, which irrespective of the pathogenesis. Pain is one such symptoms which presents for many ailments, irrespective of the organs involved, and the first priority for the physician is to relieve the agony by giving the stimulus from arthritis disease. And if we give the medicine, then the disease is cured. This is arthritis divided by inflammatory, non-inflammatory. Inflammatory, two types, seropositive and seronegative. Non-inflammatory is infection and crystal induced. The non-inflammatory infection, bacterial, borrelial, protozoal, mycoplasmal, fungal and mycobacterial. Crystal induced the hydroxyperoxide, calcium pyrophosphate, sodium urate, that is gout. And inflammatory, two types, seropositive, seronegative, rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, rheumatic arthritis, lupus, scleroderma, vasculitis, and the seronegative ankylosing spondylitis, psoriatic arthritis, reactive arthritis, inflammatory bowels diseases. There are different types of arthritis: degenerative arthritis, inflammatory arthritis, and this disease is a very now common in the age over 35 to onwards, and the females are more susceptible than the male candidates, and there are so many medicines for arthritis. I tell now much more medicines in homeopathic. One is the best medicines, that is codendron. Another medicine is Brownia alba. Another medicine is Guaiacum. Another medicine is Ledum pulse. Another medicine is, according to the similimum, we will give the medicine. Not only according to the symptom similarity, we will give the medicine. It may be Rostox, it may be Apocyinum, it may be Apis mellifica, it may be Rostoxicodendron, it may be Brownia alba. And all the medicines are very prominent in the rubrics. The arthritis, we will select the medicine according to the similimum. And the marginative background, psoriatic manifestation, syphilitic manifestation, and psychotic medicine. If we will apply the medicine in similimum basis, then the disease arthritis will be cured as soon as possible. And lithium carb is another medicine for arthritis. Lithium carb you will give in a 3x potency, and inflammations, rheumatism, gout and arthritis. It is a best medicine. In my practice, I have given, and there are so many complex medicines that in Baxon company, in SBL company, SBL drop number 6, and in Baxon company, the rheumatic arthritis, Rheumacure, in Purostham, and so many medicines, rheumatic SSL in rheumatic fresh, orthonid. There are several medicines in the patent medicine. But the patent medicines will palliate the disease, not cure. Only you can give in simillimum background, the disease will be cured. And if my arthritis narration जदि आपन को भल लगिला, आपन एटा को सब्सक्राइब करिवे एवं लाइक करने को आपण मानक अनुरोध।